Hi there guys, welcome to Email Autoresponder lesson number 3, and in today's video we're going to talk about all the different menus over here, or rather I would say some of the more important menus items that you need to take care of, alright, in your Aweber account. Alright, so first and foremost, of course, you have the dashboard, and within this dashboard it will show you, like for example, if you're doing e-commerce sales, you have some sales over here, but generally I use it for my email marketing purpose, so I don't really configure any sales amount over here. That's why you see everything is on 0. You can also get your own website domain over here, alright, and this is where you have all the different subscribers informations, like your total email subscribers is how many actually unsubscribe, for the last 30 days, so on and so forth. Okay, so now if you are concerned about this unsubscribe, honestly you shouldn't be, because when you're doing email marketing you'll get unsubscribed almost every single day. It is very normal. Alright, don't feel that it is a waste of your money, because anyway, these people generally won't buy from you. They also won't buy from anyone else. Okay. Okay. Now let's go down here. So of course you have some statistics over here. All right. You see that my click-through rates over here is everything is 0. Reason is because I'm not using the actual software. All right. I'm actually using a rotator-based software. So this rotator-based software is unable to integrate well with Aweber, but however, I can still check my click-through rates from that tracking software that I'm using. Okay, now over here, these are all the different lists that I have. Alright, so this is where generally you can see all the main dashboard. Now on top, you see this thing called a list. So if you are going to different lists to configure whatever you want to configure inside this list, let's say for example, you want to set up an automation campaign for people within this Benjamin Go's list, alright, or whatever list you want to name it, you have to actually click and choose Benjamin Go. And from here, you can go under messages. If you click on the down button, you'll see draft, broadcast, split test, campaigns, so on and so forth. Alright, and the way to actually do automation is over here. This is the one campaign, but I'm going to touch more on this in subsequent videos. Alright, now the ones that generally we usually will use is broadcast, split test, and campaigns. Okay, these 3 different ones. So these are the messages. So subscribers, you can actually add subscribers either one by one from some other platform, or you can do bulk import of subscribers from other autoresponders to Aweber as well. Alright, now over here we click subscribers. It will show you all the information of the subscribers, such as their name, their email address, whatever you require in your squeeze page. When they actually reach that particular page, you want them to put in their name and their email address, then all this information will be auto-populated within Aweber. The next one that generally we will use is this thing called the list options. Now I don't really use the sign-up forms and the landing page, because I don't really like their sign-up form designs. Neither do I use Aweber or autoresponders for that matter to do on my landing pages. I would prefer to keep things separate. So meaning to say, if I'm doing solely on landing pages, I will use my landing page software, which is Lead Pages, which is one of the tutorials that I will touch on in subsequent days or subsequent weeks. Then for autoresponder, I will use it solely for email marketing purpose. Okay, and for tracking, I'll use for tracking software. Alright, so this is how I separate according to so-called different departments of my business. Now, list options is also very important, because this is where you're going to check all your list settings, like what is the email address that you are using to actually send out these emails. Alright, you can also tag all your contacts, so that when you're actually doing a broadcast, you can actually choose which are the ones that you prefer to send them. Like for example, if they have actually opened any of your email, you can actually give them a tag called openers. Alright, so next time when you want to send a broadcast email to just your openers, you can just choose all these people with this particular tag. Now, next one is integration, of course. Now, integration is whereby you need to integrate your Aweber account to your other third-party softwares. Like for my case, I will have to integrate my Aweber account to my funnel building software. Okay, so this is generally the main fields that we use within your Aweber account. Okay, so if you need to contact customer service support, just go over here. All right, click on it, and you can actually go under my account, or rather you can actually go under help here. Sorry, just click on this help button. All right, and it will bring you to the customer service options. If you're actually a pro member, which means to say if you're actually a paying member, their live support options is very, very up to par. All right, very, very up to standard, because it's 24/7 chat. Okay, so if you click over here, put in your name, email address, which is auto-populated, you don't have to click anything here, just start the chat. Alright, as you can see straight away, the customer service is ready. Okay, So as you can see here, like as a pro member, you have been automatically transferred to our expert high priority team. Alright guys, so this is how we maneuver the entire options. Alright, in the next few videos, I will touch more into individual options that I mentioned to you guys just now. Take care.